Right, let's take a look at the next pair, guys. Okay, let's have a look at US dollar JPY, and let's see what happens. So that's Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So this is what we had before the open of the week. Okay, we had USDJPY having hit a high of 158.10, you could say, and he opened this week at about 157.50. Nice round figure. So let's see what happened. Monday respected the high. Quite a bit of movement up down on this Monday. Let's see how many pips did he move. How many pips was this? All right, 175. Quite a bit of movement. Tuesday he's broken that high, so that line was violated and pinned it again, but continued to play around the Asian session on Wednesday. UJ continued to go up. Thursday held it. Quite choppy. And then Friday, look at that dagger, this way, that way. It's quite choppy. So Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, and he opened and closed at almost the same place. Look at that. In fact, the same place. 157.70. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 157.70. So UJ, like I said, for me it moves closely. Yes, it does move, but it's a lot more of a choppier pair. But we can still see that it's making higher highs, so dollar is still in a bullish move on UJ. We'll see what happens in this week. So now let me show you if there were any trades, the setups which you could have taken. If you sign up, guys, remember, for free, you'll get to see now where I get into the details of your entries, take profit, stop loss levels for each trade. Okay, so let's have a look at it.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today